This is Alex from Accessories International, and we're at the 2024 AIM Expo in Las Vegas. Here we have a 22 BMW R1250 GS fully loaded with SW Motech, and all of these parts are also available for the R1300 GS models. Starting off at the back, we have our Dusk hardcase system. This is a brand new system which was actually debuted here at the AIM Expo. It uses the Pro side carriers to mount, as well as the Adventure top rack. On the front, we have our Pro tank ring with our Pro City waterproof bag, 9 liters of storage, and down here we have our infamous SW Motech crash bars. And here we have a set of upper crash bars, again with waterproof bags mounted on as well. Moving to the top, we have our Cobra hand guards. Now these are a full wrap guard to give you that weather protection. And if you take a look, you also have a 2-point mounting system. And what this does is going to give you the impact protection. So if you do get hit by debris or have the bike drop for some reason, it's not going to cave in on your hands. It offers you that full impact protection. Here we have our headlight guard and our Evo High Beam kit. That Evo High Beam kit light is really good for both on and off road riding. It's weather resistant, dust resistant, gives you much more lighting. And the headlight guard uses a Macrolon construction, also known as a impact resistant plastic. These are the front axle sliders. And coming down to the bottom here, we have our Evo footrest kit. Now this is fully adjustable and it's going to give maximum comfort, so you have different riding positions you can use. We also have our brake pedal and the extensions for the pedal as well, and a skid plate on the bottom of the bike. And here again we have our side supports for the new bags one more time. All right, we're going to give a quick demonstration of these new Dusk side cases and show you how they work.
All right, so this is our new Dusk case. We just launched this at AIM Expo. It comes in either 33 or 41 liters. It's ABS plastic, and the unique part about it is it has an aluminum frame around, so it allows it to be really solid, but also where we can tuck the water resistance in there. So it's 100% waterproof, so there's no internal bags or anything that's needed. It locks onto our Pro carrier, so there's many models that works on that. Super light, and it's available now in the US.
Beautiful. You close it up again.